In this video, you will learn how to use the attachment table macro to display a list of all attachments linked to a specific Confluence page. Open your Confluence page in edit mode. To insert the macro, you can click Insert Elements in the toolbar and find the attachment table, or use the macro shortcut. The attachment table macro configuration dialog opens. The macro parameters are organized into various tabs. Under Structure and Data, the page to list attachments from field defaults to the current page. As I want to display the list of attachments from the current page, I will not provide any value in this field. Next, go to the Sort and Filter tab. The Enable Column Sorting option is checked by default, allowing users to click the column headers to sort the table data in ascending or descending order. To make column sorting more visible, enable the Show Sort icon option. This displays an icon on the header of the most recently sorted column, indicating its current sort order. Once you are done with macro configurations, click Save. As you can see, the macro shows the list of attachments in page edit mode. Now publish the page. The attachment table macro displays the list of attachments from the current page and shows the default metadata columns: file, size, creator, created, and comment. You can click any column header to sort the data, and the sort icon will appear on the last sorted column to indicate the sort order. And that is how the attachment table macro helps you organize and display your page attachments in a structured way. Thanks for watching.